Hey gang, we just wanted to give you a quick update and a bit of a tutorial for a new feature that we have on our website. Now, once you've chosen the DTF transfers by size, it'll pull up this page that is a custom sizer for your designs. Here, you can either drag and drop your files or you can browse for them. For the sake of example, we'll go ahead and drag and drop this design. Now that's been drag and dropped, you just choose upload, and as soon as it's entirely at 100%, you'll see down here that it populates the proper sizing for the design. If you'd like from here, maybe you don't like that size, you can absolutely change this width or height and it'll automatically populate on the other section to make it even on both sides. There's also this option to leave a note for our designers. In this case, I don't think that we need one, but you can use this to remove the background or double check that you're getting the correct size for your transfer. Also here, there's a checkbox where you agree to the terms and conditions on the website. Make sure to get that checked. Now, if you're not completely 100% on choosing a custom design, that's okay. You can choose from our popular sizes just as you did before. The option to leave it on a roll as well as pre-cut it also remains in place. For now, we'll just leave it on a roll. Also, it automatically changes your pricing as well. So for now, it's at 4.79. If we'd like to change that, perhaps we make it 11 by 14. It goes to $9.19. So no matter your sizing, once you switch through it, it will automatically update your pricing as we go. Now you can proceed to cart. And if you'd like from here, you can always go back and continue shopping, or you can move on and check out. Here you can see that it is custom sized, the price, the option 1 as far as your sizing, and the option 2 that you chose, which is no, you can leave it on a roll, as well as saying that you agreed to our terms and conditions. It also tells you the width and height that you chose for your design. Once you're done, you can choose checkout and you'll see this pop up. It basically explains our turnaround time. And once you note that you understand, you are good to go and you have completed your order. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.